How to turn on or turn off block backward redirections in websites on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. Then tap on security and privacy. Now in here, we then scroll down and tap on Internet Privacy Protection. Next, scroll down again and tap on Block Backward Redirections. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on or turn off block backward redirections for websites on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. Here's a prevent website from taking you to a website you didn't visit when you press the back button. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.